Okay, here we are again, our second video with Basil Shanta. Okay, so this is our second video. We will show you what we have here in Lausanne Cafe. Okay, hello. This is the main bar. Okay, so right now we will highlight the bar for you to see. This is our main bar. Oh, what a nice bar, you can see. Okay, a little bit big, but it's nice to see. Okay, highlighted some of our display here: cakes, sandwiches, salads. Okay, a little pizza. Okay, this is Basil Shanta's recipes. He bake and make all these items. So if you want some order, just call Lausanne Cafe and we will give you some catering order with pasta to salads and desserts. Alright, this is our flat TV, so you can hang on us with our coffee, with our cakes. So many items. We have drinks, we have frappuccinos, smoothies, mojitos. Okay, okay, so until then we will cut our video from now on. We will see each other again in our third video. Okay, bye folks, see you again.